Hi guys, it's Tracy, and today I have another Empties video for you guys. I've been saving up some of my trash here so I can share it with you and get rid of it. So if you're new to my channel, hello, my name is Tracy, and hope you like the video. If you do, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you're a returning watcher, welcome back. Yeah, so let's just get into it. First off, I have a few kind of masks. Let's see, what are they? Actually, this is from Philosophy, and this was just like a sample one pad. I don't know how much you can't really tell anything from one pad, but it did feel nice. And this is the Micro Delivery Triple Acid Brightening Peel from Philosophy. I wouldn't mind having like a whole pack of them to try out, but I know they are pretty pricey. So, but I did like it. And then I have a rose gold foil sheet mask from the Mask Bar. I got this at my local discount store for 99 cents. And I liked it. It was very moisturizing, and it was kind of cool because it was like metallic on your face. And then next up here, another mask. This is a Collagen Moisturizing Q10 Collagen Essence Mask by a brand called Yerma. I got this in a gift box that I won from Maureen from Unbox It with Maureen. This was in that box, and this was really nice. I enjoyed it. I like to mask, so it's good. I have a couple packs of wipes. These are both from Bolero. They're like the Dollar Tree brand. And this one was a coconut cream and vanilla, and these were the English Rose Blossom. These are actually pretty good makeup removing wipes for like swatches and stuff. I don't use makeup wipes to remove my makeup. I just use them like for swatching usually, or for cleaning up fallout, stuff like that. But other than that, I don't, use them to remove my makeup. And then this is the brand of floss that I was telling you guys I like. That's a charcoal floss. Someone had asked me, and I'm like, ooh, I don't know what the brand is. And you can see it's got like some of the charcoal in the package. It's black when you pull it out. It's really cool. So this is called Mr. Magic MD. Always natural, gently glides between teeth, and it says it's activated charcoal and xylitol infused waxed black floss. And I got this at Marshall's, and it is $3.99, and I already have another one purchased. Thank goodness I purchased one before everything closed down, because I would be without it. And I have other floss, but when I go to use it, like, I just don't like it. That cleans your teeth so good that once you use this, it's like you don't want anything else, because this is awesome. So love that. Next here we have Chihuahua Symphony. I have a new microphone, so I don't know if this picks them up or it doesn't pick them up. Let me know how the sound is. This is by Viola Hendrickson, and this is the Truth Facial Water. This didn't really, it wasn't anything fantastic. I just use it to like wet my face after my skincare, to put like hyaluronic acid on or something, or just to like kind of get like a refresher. Like a little bit left in there, but it doesn't really do anything. So I wouldn't rebuy it. I think I got it at Marshall's for like $6.99, but even at that price, I wouldn't rebuy it. Then here we have the Glow Recipe Watermelon Serum. I love this. I just wish it wasn't so expensive, but I love it. So if I could find it on sale or on a reseller site or something like that, I would pick it up again, because I did like it. Then let's see here. We have a little sample of Philosophy's Amazing Grace. I love the way this smells, and it feels really nice. But it is kind of pricey, so unless I got a really great deal, I would not repurchase. This is the Murad Renewing Eye Cream. I got this in a FabFitFun starter box, and I don't notice a difference like between an eye cream and just using your face cream. So like I get eye creams in my boxes or whatever, I'll use them, but like at nighttime I use a moisturizer with some oil mixed into the moisturizer, and I just put that all over my face. So I don't even bother with eye cream at night. I only use it really in the daytime. So I don't know how much they work or don't work. It's probably really a gimmick to get you to buy 2 things instead of 1. So let's see, I have this Bath & Body Works Boardwalk Vanilla Cone hand soap. I really like the scent of this, it's really good. And then another Bath & Body Works, this is their Endless Summer Lotion. It smelled really good, like that. I would repurchase both of those. And my daughter just sent me a text that said Victoria's Secret and Bath & Body Works are owned by the same company. And since the pandemic, that they'll have to be closing 250 stores. And I'm like, it's probably going to be one Bath & Body Works in our half-dead mall. Like, there's only like a couple stores in that mall. And the Sears is going or gone. We have a JCPenney at one end, a Hobby Lobby, and then there's the Bath & Body Works, and then the rest of the stores are just like little stores that are probably all going to be closed after this pandemic is done. So I'm like, yeah, it'll probably be my Bath & Body Works, so I'll have to drive out of town now to go to Bath & Body Works. So, and Pier 1 Imports is no more. They closed because of I guess they lost too much money and they can't recover, so they're gone. And then here, I don't know if they have Soup Plantation anywhere else, but here in California, it's a chain. It's called Soup Plantation, and it's a buffet, like a salad buffet, and they have muffins and soups, and it's really good, but they're gone too. So I was like, darn, a lot of stores are closing. It's really sad. I mean, I feel bad for these companies. I had my last bottle of this Country Life Maxi Skin Collagen C&A, so I used it for a year. I don't know if it made a difference or not, but I used it while I had it. And I have some Citrical Calcium. I always take that. And I have a new vitamin that I tried out. I got it from my discount store for 99 cents. It's by a company called Nude Chapter, and this is just for every woman's one daily multivitamin. So general multivitamin, I think there's 30 capsules in here. And I got this for $1. And I bought, I want to say like 6 bottles of it or something. Let's see, how many do you get in here? Oh, you get 48 tablets in here. So that's like a month and a half almost of vitamins. So I've been taking those and they're fine. Next up here, we have this Organic Serge Daily Care Super Intensive Moisturizer. This was just one that I picked up at Marshall's, I think. I used it. It was nice. Like if I saw it again and I needed a moisturizer, I'd probably rebuy it. Oh, let me take my glasses off because I know they hit off of the light. And then next here we have the Avant. This was the Hyaluronic Vitamin C Lecithin Marine Aqua Moisturizer. I used it and I got every bit out that I could, and it was nice. Like I said, I would use this at night and I would just put a couple drops of an oil in with it, and it was nice. I mean, they said it's like $100 and something cream, so I definitely would not repurchase that. Here we have the Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine. This is their frizzy, dry, unmanageable hair. Up to 3 days sleek. This is just like, it says intensely smooth leave-in conditioning cream, and I really like this. I don't use a lot of drugstore type products in my hair, but like I got this one time with a coupon and I really like it. So I have repurchased it a few times. Oh, we have another mask here. This is by Peach Slices, and this was the Mango Peach Popsicle Sheet Mask. Hydrate and Glow. So got that from my local discount store. I think these were 2 for $1, 2 for 99 cents, something like that. So next up, I have an empty Ordinaries Glycolic Acid 7% toning solution. I use this every morning, and I already repurchased it, and I'm already using it. Oh, we have 2 of the vitamins in here, so I've been taking that for over 2 months, 3 months. I have an empty of the Icy Hot Medicated Spray. This is nice because my back, when no one's around, I can't reach my back. It doesn't really do a whole lot, but I I had picked it up one day when I was in the store, and my back was hurting so bad, and I saw it, and I'm like, I wonder if that would do anything. So I don't know that it really works or does much, so I probably wouldn't repurchase it. I have one of my Colgate Icy Blast toothpastes. I already repurchased that. I have the By Nature Replenishing Night Cream with Rosehip Oil. This is a New Zealand company, and I got this. It's made by a company called Lanacorp, or that's who owns them. And I get this at Marshall's, and it's really nice, and it's very affordable. So this, I like this brand. I have a few different, I have like a daily face serum by them and like a day cream. So I really like this brand, and I've bought like multiple items from them. Then I have this Amazing Grace. It's like a sample of the lotion, but it went bad, so it's still full, but it just smells off to me. And something leaked in here. Let's see, I have an empty, it's an Empties video. This is the facial spray with aloe, cucumber, and green tea. This is like the Viola Hendrickson one. I just use it to have my face damp to put hyaluronic acid on. Then we have the Kate Somerville KX Active Concentrates Biomimicking Peptides Serum. I used the whole thing, and that's all I know. I didn't notice anything like fantastic happening or anything like that. So it's like $98. I'm like, man, for $98, I would expect it to be like jumping out of the thing and getting on my face. Oh, he's so cute. He's laying in the sun on the floor right here, and he's like sleeping because we don't usually have the drapes or the blinds open, but he's laying like straight up in the sun, and it's so hot here. It's like 90 degrees, so summer is here. Let's see, I tried this from the Inky List, and I tried this because Sephora didn't have the Ordinaries niacinamide, and I definitely like the Ordinaries niacinamide better than this one. So if you're looking for a niacinamide, go with the Ordinaries one. I think it's better. It has an extra ingredient that this one didn't have. I mean, it's not bad, but I think the other one is better. I had an order from Beautylish, and they included this niacinamide brightening toner. I would consider buying this if I'm making an order. I like the Good Molecules brand too. Their products that I've used have all been really good. Then I have this CBD Daily Intensive Cream, and it is THC free. THC, by the way, is what will get you high, so this won't get you high. You won't drug test positive for using it, and it's just a cream that you can rub on like if you're in pain or hurting. And my daughter usually gets it for me. It's pretty nice. It has like a minty kind of smell. It doesn't smell like weed, but it's pretty nice. So I do already have another one. Then I have two lip balms here. I have this Alba Hawaiian lip balm, and I used it all. It's gone. It was just okay for me though. It wasn't anything fantastic. And then I have this Blistex Daily Renewal, and it's brand new, and I love the texture of it, but it has SPF in it, and I cannot stand SPF in any of my lip products. The taste of it, or whatever it is in it, it just, I can't stand it. I had a couple of the Physicians Formula lip butters, and I would wear them and I'd be like, God, what is that? And then I was watching Tati's video one day, and she said something when she was putting it on, oh, it has SPF in it. And I was like, that is what it is that I don't like in lip products. So I do not like SPF in my lip products. So I really liked the texture of that. It was really nice, but I just couldn't get past the SPF. What I had on my lips today was this L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Gloss, shade number 316, Statement Nude. I don't think I told you what I had on my eyes today. Is the Sigma Enchanted palette. This is one of my top 10 palettes for spring. Spoiler alert in case that video is not up. Then I have this Aveeno what is this called? Cracked Skin Relief. And I've been using this on my horrible nails. I got this in that same gift box that I won from Maureen. It was just like a little sample size. And I've been using this on my nails, and I think that it's gotten better. I mean, you guys know I haven't had my nails polished in so long because they're just so terrible, and I don't want to like draw attention to how bad they look. And so this is a cracked skin relief, and it says it's a Seek Up balm, and it has dimethicone skin protectant. Helps relieve cracked skin. I don't have cracked skin, but I would use it on my nails. And then we have a store here, it's called Grocery Outlet, and I found the big tub of it for $7.99. So I have a big tub now, and I just keep it beside my bed, and I just rub it into my nails, and then like when I go to bed, I just rub it into my nails again and like put it all over my hands, and it's helping a little bit. My nails aren't like ripping like they were. I mean, they would be ripping and like bleeding, and my doctor just said like, you just have brittle nails, and I'm like, my toenails aren't like that. Like, what can I do? And he's just kind of like, well, nothing. So nothing you can do, but I think that has helped. And then this is called Perfect Repair Treatment Mask by Nature Lab. I guess that's who makes this. I got this in a gift or a prize that I won from Linda Skidmore. I won this in a little packet of stuff. So I had these, I think there's 3 of these, and it's actually really nice, and I don't know where this brand comes from. I was going to look into it and see, and it also says they're cruelty free. So I know sometimes people that are cruelty free have a hard time finding you know, things that you can use. And this is a color protectant and paraben free. It looks like it's Nature Lab. I'll have to look into that. It was really nice. It's like nice and thick, so I usually split my hair into 2, put it on one side, put it on the other side, and then wrap it up and do everything I need to do until, you know, whenever. And then I comb my hair out while I'm in the shower. That's the only time I ever comb my hair. I don't comb it. Well, I do brush it out with a wet brush. Oh, I don't need these on. I brush it with a wet brush before I get in the shower. But once I get out of the shower, I don't brush it or comb it because it's wild. It's crazy. It has a mind of its own. So that is my empties for right now. So we'll dump all this out and we'll start refilling the basket again, and it'll probably be a couple months and we'll have another one. So I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. It really does help my channel. And if you have something that's empty that you think I need to try because it was so great, leave your recommendations down below. So I hope that you guys are all having a beautiful day or night. If you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button before you go. Make sure to click the bell. If you're a returning watcher, thank you so much for coming back. If you're new, welcome to the channel. So I hope you guys are all having a beautiful day or night wherever you are. I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye guys.